I'm talking to you from Sydney at the moment, and in the evening for us at the moment, it's 9 p.m, so getting close to the end of our day. So as Dr. Park mentioned, I'm originally from Egypt, and this is sort of where I grew up and where I started my dental journey. I did my undergraduate degree at the Cairo University Dental Hospital, and then I was lucky to be a part of the orthodontic program at Cairo University for about 2.5 years, and then I got accepted at the program in the University of Sydney, and this is when I then moved to Sydney in 2005 to start the training with Professor Darren Delilah, who some of you might know. It's a very nice program, and I was very lucky to be part of it. And after that, I stayed in Sydney and started a practice in Chatswood. We've had this practice now for over 10 years. And we have a lovely team that works with us. And as you all know, with orthodontics, it's a big team effort to deliver the services for our patients. And so I'm very glad to have an associate working with me, Dr. Anastasia. So it's good to have someone you can share some of your sorrows with, I guess, in a way. And we're very proud that we've 3 or 4 weeks ago now, we've just started our new practice, also in Sydney, but in a different suburb to Chatswood. So we now have 2 branches. This is our newest one. We've tried to spend a little bit of time during the COVID lockdown to design it in a slightly different way. And now we're very proud to start working there. These are our little surgeries with the glass